What is this parasite? Unfocus. What's the difference between a light bulb and a laser? Focus. A laser is focus light. In Mark chapter 1, verse 37, it says, they found him and said to him, everyone is looking for you. He said to them, let's go somewhere else, to the towns nearby, so that I may preach there also, for that is what I came for. Jesus often faced the challenges of the pull of people, and many times he ignored them and continued on his journey. When the disciples came to him after they had a blowout meeting, people getting healed and everything, they let him know, hey, the people are looking for you. And his response was, let's go on. He didn't allow the people and the noise to dictate his direction. Here we see an unusual degree of focus. So let's tackle these 6 attributes. Number 1, the parasite of unfocus is highly reproductive. Have you ever noticed how you'll go on the internet, search for one thing, and then 15 to 20 minutes later, you're looking through a slideshow of the 10 largest homes in the world or some other clickbait website that you got squirreled up on? Make no mistake about it. The new currency of today is engagement, and companies are working very hard to garner your focus. Number 2, the parasite of unfocus tends to be non-lethal immediately. People tend to think that it's only a little here or there, but considering that an intrusion into your train of thought can take up to 25 minutes to recover from, if you know that a 15 to 30 minute squirrel session can cost you double that in time spent, well, if it was only one time in a day, it may not have an adverse reaction. But when you multiply it by the number of times we get distracted in a day, it becomes lethal long-term if unchecked. Number 3, parasites of unfocus change the host behavior. Have you ever been unprepared for a meeting, having to scramble last minute to get a project done under the wire? I assure you that if you're honest with yourself, you will find that unfocus is the reason behind it. Now, in this hurried and frazzled state, you are unable to put your best foot forward, and your normal behavior has been modified. You get cranky, short, and testy, and even though it's really completely your own fault, you still have an attitude about it.